Hey there, fellow gardeners. Before we dive into today's topic, if you enjoy our content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone growing tomatoes: tomato diseases explained. Let's unravel the mysteries and keep those tomatoes thriving. First up, Fusarium wilt. This pesky disease is caused by the fungus Fusarium oxysporum. You'll notice the lower leaves turning yellow and dying. Sometimes, it's just one branch, while others stay symptom-free. Look for brown woody vascular tissues on stems and petioles. During the latter stages, plants wilt and eventually die. It spreads through seeds and soil, sticking around indefinitely. The best defense? Plant-resistant tomato cultivars. Nearly all tomatoes resist one common race of this pathogen, but keep an eye out for resistance in seed catalogs. Next, let's talk about verticillium wilt. Caused by Verticillium dahlia and V. alboatrum, this one also hides in the soil. Symptoms can look a lot like Fusarium wilt. Plants might only show signs when stressed by drought or a heavy fruit load. Leaf yellowing starts at the margins and moves inward. The woody vascular tissue at the plant's base will discolor too. Control it by rotating crops, removing infected roots, and using resistant cultivars. Moving on to nematodes, specifically root knot. These tiny parasites form galls on infected roots, looking like strings of pearls. Many garden tomato varieties resist them, but treatment options are limited. Incorporate green manure crops, use chitin, and rotate crops with non-host plants like corn. Good sanitation, removing infested roots, and soil solarization help control nematode numbers. Now let's discuss blight and other foliar diseases. Wet and humid weather brings these on. Early blight, caused by Alternaria solani, starts with small yellow lesions that turn black. Septoria leaf spot, from Septoria lycopersis, shows up as tiny black structures on leaves. Both are soil-borne, so rotate out of contaminated plots. Use disease-free transplants and cultural practices like staking to reduce leaf wetness. Fungicides can help control these diseases. Lastly, bacterial diseases like bacterial speck and bacterial spot. Bacterial speck, caused by Pseudomonas syringae, creates tiny superficial lesions. Bacterial spot, from Xanthomonas campestris, shows water-soaked leaf lesions and dark fruit lesions. Both are seed-borne. Control them by using disease-free seeds, eliminating infected residue, and applying copper fungicides. Remember, understanding these diseases is the first step to healthy tomato plants. Happy gardening, and may your tomatoes flourish. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips.